So Jenny asks, does one need to advise the insurer if the geyser is installed on the outside of the, in other words, attached to the wall and not in the ceiling of the property? Does this affect the geyser when it is outside? So I'm going to answer the insurance part, and then Glenn can answer whether, whether it makes any difference. So from an insurance point of view, absolutely makes no difference. It should perhaps make a difference. In fact, it's advantageous from an insurer's point of view that it's on the outside. But I think your question is more whether it's good or whether it's going to get rustier quickly on the outside. I'll let Glenn answer that. But from an insurance point of view, the insurance companies have not really asked the question when they're doing the underwriting of where the geyser is. I'd say that's what they should perhaps be asking, but no, they don't actually ask. They just add the geyser in, and they've counted that in. Glenn, do you want to just comment on whether or not it's a good idea, bad idea, longevity and so on?
So the geysers are typically IP65, so they are typically allowed to can be technically installed outside. So it's not really a factor to install them outside. If you're along the coast and you've got a galvanized outer skin, which is what most of them, in fact, 90% of them have, you would want to just be mindful of the possible corrosion on the outer skin. But yeah, they could go outside quite comfortably. If they're outside, that's fine. It's as you say, it's safer, Mike.
Okay, so you haven't done any advertising for yourself, so I better do that for you. If you have a stainless steel geyser and you're on the coast, even better idea. Okay, so there we go.